Every year, millions of old vehicles reach the end of their lives and begin a remarkable journey of recycling. These retired cars arrive at specialized recycling factories where almost every component can be reused. Each vehicle is carefully registered and inspected before the recycling process officially begins. Experts determine which parts can be reused and which materials must be recycled. Hazardous fluids are safely removed first to prevent environmental contamination. Batteries are separated because they contain valuable materials and hazardous chemicals. Tires are removed and sent to separate facilities for recycling into new products. Aluminum wheels are highly valuable because metal can be recycled repeatedly. Reusable components are carefully recovered and sold for repair and maintenance. The engine, one of the most valuable components, is often rebuilt or recycled. Thousands of recovered parts return to the market instead of becoming waste. Once reusable parts are removed, the remaining shell moves to the next stage. Enormous hydraulic crushers compress entire vehicles within seconds. Compressed metal cubes save space and simplify transportation for recycling. The crushed vehicles are fed into powerful shredders for further processing. Industrial shredders break vehicles into thousands of small fragments. Advanced technology separates steel, aluminum, copper, and plastic automatically. Massive magnets quickly extract steel, the most common material in vehicles. Specialized systems recover valuable non-ferrous metals like aluminum and copper. By this stage, a single car has become valuable raw materials once again. Recycled steel is transported to steel mills where it begins a completely new life. Steel mills receive thousands of tons of recycled metal every single day. Inside giant furnaces, recycled metal melts at temperatures above 1500 degrees. Once molten, the metal is purified and prepared for manufacturing. The recycled steel is transformed into fresh materials for new products. Powerful rolling machines shape the steel into sheets and beams. Aluminum from old vehicles is also recycled with remarkable efficiency. Copper wiring is highly valuable and can be reused countless times. Even plastic components are processed into pellets for future manufacturing. Used tires become rubber products for roads, playgrounds, and industries. Modern recycling factories are designed to reduce waste and protect nature. Recycling keeps millions of tons of waste out of landfills. Using recycled metal requires far less energy than producing new metal. Recycling significantly lowers carbon emissions and supports a cleaner planet. Remarkably, recycled metals often return as parts of brand new cars. Advanced robotics transform recycled materials into tomorrow's transportation. This process creates a circular economy where resources never truly go to waste. Car recycling has become a global industry worth billions of dollars. Future recycling plants will rely even more on artificial intelligence. By recycling vehicles today, humanity is building a cleaner future for tomorrow. As industries grow, demand for recycled metals continues to rise worldwide. Electric vehicles bring new challenges and opportunities for the recycling industry. Specialized facilities recover valuable lithium, nickel, and cobalt from batteries. Artificial intelligence now sorts materials faster and more accurately than ever before. Automation is transforming recycling into one of the world's smartest industries. Behind every machine, skilled workers ensure safe and efficient operations. Strict safety standards protect workers in these powerful industrial environments. Many recycling plants operate 24 hours a day to meet demand. Recovered materials are shipped worldwide to begin new manufacturing cycles. Recycled resources travel across continents to power global industries. Recycled metals become everyday products used by millions of people. This endless cycle keeps valuable resources in use for generations. Recycling reduces the need for mining and protects natural ecosystems. Efficient recycling contributes to cleaner cities and healthier communities. The recycling factories of tomorrow will be faster, smarter, and cleaner. Are working together towards sustainability. What appears to be waste can become one of our most valuable resources. What appears to be waste can become one of our most valuable resources. Every recycled vehicle helps create the next generation of transportation. Our choices today shape the future of the planet we all share. From abandoned cars to new beginnings, recycling drives the world toward a sustainable future.
Hazardous fluids are safely removed first to prevent environmental contamination. Strict safety standards protect workers. In these powerful industrial environments, recycling reduces the need for mining and protects natural ecosystems.
Around the world, industries are working together towards sustainability.